What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your Instagram chat from both sides. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to on your Instagram. After opening the Instagram, what you need to do, you have to go to on the chat option. That you have to go to on chat just like this. Okay, after going to chat, you have to open the conversation that you wanna delete from persons. You have to click, I am going to go to this conversation. So I want to delete this reel from both side. That what you need to do to delete this from both side, you have to click on this. Then you can see option called unsend. You have to click on this option unsend. Then your reel will be deleted from both side. So this is how you can delete your reels or your chats from both side on Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video and find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.